Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who have subscribed, thank you so much, and for those who have not yet, please subscribe. Today I'm making our pizza, homemade pizza, and to start off we're going to make our pizza dough. And so we're going to put in the ingredients we have sugar. We're going to put them in, as you can see. So we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then a half teaspoon of baking powder, as you can see. Then a pinch of salt. That's all. And then we're going to put in our flour. As you can see. Then a little bit of water to make our dough. So we make our dough, as you can see. So our dough is ready, as you can see, and now we're going to make a roll out of it and then put our pizza sauce. If you want the recipe to the pizza sauce, please check one of my videos. I made that video, so you check out that recipe on how to make pizza sauce. So we are going to make a roll, our pizza roll, as you can see. Our pizza roll is ready. So we make put holes, like as you can see, using a fork. As you can see, and we're going to put our pizza sauce. Make it like that, as you can see. And we put our pizza sauce. Spread it all over the pizza dough. Put our pizza sauce, as you can see. As I said, I have a video on pizza sauce, so please check it out. I didn't put it in this, but just check out a video on how to make pizza sauce. Then we're going to put our meat toppings. I'm making a meat pizza, beef pizza. But you can put any preferred toppings. You can use mushroom for vegetable. You can use chicken for chicken. Any preferred toppings. I'm just using these for today. And then we're going to put our homemade cheese, mozzarella cheese. Yeah, see, homemade mozzarella cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, and our pizza is almost ready. And then we're going to put in our onions as another topping, just as a topping to our pizza. Yeah. Yeah, and that's our homemade pizza. We're going to bake this now in the oven for like 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes and it will be ready. That's our ready pizza. Pizza is ready, as you can see. Our homemade pizza is ready in just 20 minutes. You have your homemade pizza, as you can see. Yeah, it's very ready. Please, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment on these videos. Thank you very much.